In this video, let's see what is the difference after installing the 1.5-inch wheel spacers.
The Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers are a kind of wheel upgrade accessories that has now become a common practice among many car modification lovers. If the offset is not ideal, a set of Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers can fix the wrong offset. They can also improve the stability, handling, and overall appearance of the Wrangler. So what is the difference after installing the 1.5-inch Jeep wheel spacers on the Wrangler? The first and foremost difference is that the stance of the Wrangler will be wider. After fitting 1.5-inch Wrangler wheel spacers, you can move the wheels further away from the suspension. This increases the track width. As the track width increases, the Jeep Wrangler performance tends to become more stable, and handling usually improves as well. The lateral grip of the tires is also improved. With these Wrangler wheel spacers, you can feel more comfortable when cornering. Installing Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers is an effective way to increase the clearance between the wheel and the brake caliper. This can be especially useful if you plan to fit larger brakes or wheels on your Wrangler. The additional clearance provided by the spacers can prevent the brake from ramming against the wheels. A car with a low center of gravity will handle better, thanks to reduced road and more even tire loading. What's more, you can change the offset by adding wheel spacers of the appropriate thickness. This improves the overall rider experience. Heat dissipation is something that should not be overlooked by anyone seriously about the performance potential of their Jeep Wrangler. BONOSS FT Cooling Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in pedal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers. These notches act as accelerators which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety.
See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.